Alright, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I know I run topics all over the place, but today I got this nice guy. Check this thing out. Yep, it is battery operated 18 gauge cordless brad nailer, 19.2 volt, a C3 collection. So I'm going to test this guy. Supposedly it says that will do up to 1200 brad nails on a single charge. That is for the smaller batteries. I have the bigger guy, the lithium ones last a whole lot longer. So I know I already popped open the top, so I'm going to put this little guy through the test. Normally what I do is when I test the product, I use it for a good amount of time, or a month or two. That right there is the test product. That will let me know how well it works. And yes, it's cold in here. I turned the heat on just a little bit ago, but don't worry, it's about a whole 42 degrees in here, but I'll live. That's okay. This is New York. We're used to it. So this thing is a speed shot. Reason why I bought this guy, because my air compressor is very loud and my neighbors don't seem to like it very much. I can't say I blame them, but let's just get this guy out of the box. Packing. Instructions. Little belt clip thing they give you, so you can attach to the side of it. I'll probably never hang this off my belt or my pocket, because I will probably rip my own pocket off. That's not happening. Well, they give you some nails. Not a whole bunch, I'll show you, but it's enough to get you through for a little bit if you need something. Or you just keep them for something else. Got some weight to it. This little guy's pretty heavy. Alright, little tag I gotta take off here. Let's see what this little guy says. Okay, total shipping from the factory. Okay, just basically telling me that this trigger set is to single sequential. In other words, it is set at a single shot as soon as you get it. Which I already know. It's this button right here. You move that over, then I already know you can do multiple shots. They put this little doohickey on here for when they pack it, and they don't make it easy to get it off there, so the tip of this doesn't get bent. And got this little thing right here, so you can clean out the magazine. And I don't want to. Ooh, that's pretty strong. That way you get a nail jammed in there, you can get it out right away. I mean, I do have a different one, a regular air gauge, an air one. It does work really well. I mean, it's a Harbor Freight one. Not going to complain with it at all. It served me well for the past 6 months I've had it, which is great. But like I said, the compressor makes way too much noise. The battery, which I know this has a charge. And it's got two nice little LED lights on it, so you can see really well what you're hammering. Or nailing, should I say. Now, nice and simple to open. I'm going to put in some of these little guys. Got a few pieces of wood here. Let's see what it does. I don't want to break the nails in half here. Well, hard not to. I'll just rip the plastic open any way I can. Alright. There we go. I'll take some of them out of here. Slide them in. I guess this will take up to, what's it say? I'm right, it says it'll take up to 2 inch. Yeah, all the way up to 2 inch. Well, I happen to have some 2 inch right here, the DeWalt one. These ones seem to serve me well. I mean, you can buy, I got these ones out of Home Depot or Lowe's. Lowe's does sell cheaper ones, which I'll show you really quick. The Hitachi ones. These ones right here, these big guys. These ones work really, really well. They are cheaper than the DeWalt. You get way more in there. What are they coming here? 18 gauge. Okay, these are 1 3/4. I think there's like 5,000 of them in here or something like that, or some ridiculous number. I'm going to say it's a lot. Because everything is all covered in sawdust and good things like that. So, yep, 5,000 of them. That's a lot of nailing. So, what I'm going to do is, I guess you can set this for the depth. It's one right here, your pressure coming out, and then this side one, this one right here, if you turn that, it will let you know. Woo! That went in there fast. That went deep. Let me, I don't know how far back I gotta kick this. Let me set it all the way back. Turn this back. That's not bad. I mean, it's, the nice thing about this one, I mean, yeah, you can see the hole of where it is, which is nice. I mean, you can see these are nice, clean little holes. The air one I have, every time I make a hole, you know, every time I, go to use it, it leaves a little indentation of where you can see where it hit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on the other mode. Come on, what am I doing wrong? Yeah, it does sync them good. So I'm going to switch out the nails here, because those are little guys. I'm going to see how well this thing does for those big 2-inch ones. I'm a little curious on that to see how well they penetrate. If I nail it to the table, it works good. Let's get these nice big juicy 2-inch ones. I like using these big guys when I build anything, because I know they're going to sink in nice and deep, especially if I'm nailing into like a 2x4, anything like that. See what she does. I'm gonna nail it to this way. See if it penetrates it. Oh yeah, it does. This is a 2x4. Look at that. Wow, that thing went right in there like it was nothing. You want to pull it apart because a lot of the penetration had to go through the 2x4. You can see right here that, I mean, it goes right through a 2x4 with ease. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, a lot of times when I get nails when they're hanging off like this, I just bend them a little bit. Just be really careful, because if they're short, you're going to stick yourself. So what I'm going to do, let's see how well this holds up for nailing this to this. I think my battery's dead. That doesn't shock me. Let me grab another one really quick, because that probably needs to be charged anyways. We have one right here. Alright. Hopefully this battery's charged. Yep. There you go. Nice and clean. That is really, really nice. You can barely see the heads of them. It sinks them just enough. So I have it set really nice. I guess you can set it differently. I mean, this speed shot, this thing works really nice. And yeah, you're not getting that apart. So me doing just those 4 of them, You really can't beat that. Look at that. So, this is my take on it. And, you know what? I'm happy with this. I mean, heck, it says I can do, you know, like I said before, 1,200 nails, you know, before I got to recharge this little guy. You know, I mean, these are tiny little guys compared to this. I mean, they're both lithium ion from what I've heard. The lithium ion ones are the ones you definitely want. I mean, 1,200 out of that, you figure if you had the larger one like this, which is double, you know, I mean, you can get 2,400 shots out of it before you really got to charge it. I mean, that's almost half that box. That is a lot of nailing. So, if I got to rate this so far, I mean, yeah, I'll do another test on it because I will be using it for projects. For right now, I mean, out of 1 out of 5, I'll, you know, give it 5 stars. You know, so far, so good. You know, I can't complain. And I mean, weight-wise, it's a tad heavy, but you know what? I really don't care because it doesn't make any kind of noise at all. I mean, it's really, really quiet. So, for now, this is my whole thoughts on it, and it's simple to use. I'm liking it. So for now, the Craftsman Speed Shot, 19.2 volt. This is their C3 series. I'm liking it. So normally, you know, I don't usually, you know, give a star rating on it right out of the box like this. I like to test them for a little while, and that will show you a true test of how well it's going to work. But for right now, I'm going to give it 5 stars. So I got a project coming up here tomorrow that I got to start on, and I got to do some serious nailing with it. And I'll show you guys how well that performs for that. That'll be part 2. So this is part 1 right now. Part 2 will be, I'll probably wind up doing that tomorrow. So please hit that subscribe and like button. There's plenty of other videos that I have on there. Some of them are other different subject matters. You know, I'm trying to make myself well-rounded. So buy one of these. Recommended. Good luck with it. Till then, stay safe. Don't shoot yourself with one of these things. And stay warm. And I'll see you again.